guys, yeah, just saw Fisher today. I'm in Ringwood. Yeah, so Laura's in the car trying to work, and I'm going to try to look for food here. I'm in Eastland, yeah, in Ringwood, Eastland. So, yeah, how are you guys going? I'm good. Let's go. So the most annoying thing is I was talking a lot here, and the recording just stopped. So we're gonna go back from the start now. Damn it. Yeah. Okay, so I hate this going back from the start. Anyway, let's go back. I went to Ringwood earlier because the thing is I was having a check with the physio because I don't usually check. I just usually don't go to the physio because I think I'm so healthy, I'm so strong. But that's not the case. I'm not strong, I'm not healthy. So I went to the physio and I was worried because my knees are cracking. And to think I do a lot of hiking, not really a lot, but I do hiking, I do some running, a bit of running, and I do a lot of geography. And I use my knees, I do this, like to slow glide and something. And I thought that I was strong. And then suddenly my knees started to crack. They keep on cracking. And at first I'm like, it's fine. And suddenly they become persistent. Even though if I don't work, even though if I have a week off from work, it's cracking. So I had to check, and yeah, lo and behold, I have not strong calves, or like my legs are not that strong. So the problem is the muscles are not strong, and I didn't expect that because I think I'm healthy, I'm strong, but no, I'm not. So I'm gonna do some exercises and do some physio stuff, which I should have done because I'm getting old. You know how old I am. If you want to know, ask me. But yeah, I'm having it. I was having it checked, and yeah, my knees, my legs are not strong, and it's carrying the whole body. So I need to work it out. I need to strengthen the muscles, and that when it's strong, it might prevent it from cracking. And I see a mosquito up here. Next thing to that is that we went to Eastland, just got some what you call this Mexican, and the Mexican fajita there at the food court is so good. You should try it. Eastland, Ringwood, not Burwood. Okay, so yeah, I'm supposed to go out and get a bike. I was a bit scared because it might hurt my knees and it might not be good for me, but I think it's good for me. So I'm just gonna get that bike. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare stuff. I was also about to talk about my camera, but the thing is, yeah, I'm using the A7C, and I love not having the grip because it's small, and I just put an f38 mount. But also I want the grip because I do photos, and if I put a big lens on it, it's front heavy. It doesn't feel good if you have a big lens there. So you need to even it out with the grip. It's gonna feel good with the grip. The grip has an Arca Swiss bottom. There's mosquitoes everywhere. It's good. But I'm just going to do a separate video about this. It's good, but the thing is, it's not balanced, so it's not going to make you feel good, the fucking mosquito. Pardon my French. Anyway, I was about to show you, but I just realized it's in the car, and Laura just left for work, and the camera's there. So I'm just going to be left using the Osmo Pocket 3, the reliable Osmo Pocket 3. Anyway, that's it. I don't know. I'm just gonna prepare things, and we're gonna try to get the bike. Let's do. Okay, apparently I have the car right now, but the thing is, I've left some stuffs at home, and I wasn't able to do the vlog. You talk about the camera, but the thing is, I have to go out and pick up the bike that I purchased from a friend, a mountain bike, because yeah, I'll be biking. I'm planning. Anyway, I'm heading out now, but first of all, I'm gonna take care of the 10-cent stuff. Like I have a couple of empty bottles here that we can do change for 10 cents. It's really hard. Yeah, I'm glad it's not a mirrorless camera, but yeah, I just hope it's working. Yeah, screen should be working. Apparently I'm so dark backlit, but I think it's full. So apparently the machine was working. It was working, but it says it's not accepting that thing right now. So I think that thing's full. So yeah, it's a shame. Let's go to where we need to go. So yeah, there are just those times wherein you remember some of your old friends that has passed, and yeah, there are those times when you remember them and you kind of miss them. For this instance, like I kind of remember Ruel, a good buddy Ruel. It's not like we're really very very close friends that we spend a lot of time with each other, but maybe during high school we were, yeah, we were close friends. We just joke around and do those stuffs and everything else. But yeah, the problem was due to life going on. He went on with his own life because went on also with my own life because he's on the medical field. I was on the engineering field, so we haven't been contacting much. Even nearly the end of high school, we were not really in touch with each other. But we were good buddies during elementary. Yeah, we knew each other from elementary with Mark, Renan, and Hubert. So we were just good old mates. And yeah, we went to the same school, me and him, to Science High for high school, and we're still friends. But during the end part of high school, we kind of drifted apart from each other. Like we haven't been, yeah, like the good old best friends or good friends that we were during elementary. But yeah, that happens. I still keep on greeting him happy birthday once in a while, and also he greeted me happy birthday also, and that means a lot. That really felt good. And although I know that most people have their own lives to deal with, and they have their own mental health issues, like I have, like a lot of us have, but yeah, I become like I didn't care much. I didn't. It's not I didn't care much, but I had my own plate to work on, so I wasn't keeping in touch. And that's when everything changed, because yeah, you have new friends, you hang out with other people, basically your life changed. And yeah, that's all right. The thing with it is that he tried to contact me like a year or 2 years prior to him passing, and I greeted him also. I thanked him for greeting me happy birthday. On some days I greeted him happy birthday also, but during the last days, during his last days, I didn't contact him. I didn't greet him happy birthday. Could be I was just having my own things also, but yeah, it felt bad that I didn't check on him, and he could have needed like a friend somewhere. I'm not saying that if I only did connected with him, it would have made made everything better, like he would not have passed. But yeah, it's like giving a ray of sunshine, like yeah, just connection. I don't know, I can't speak, I'm driving. But yeah, yeah, just now, just kind of feel I kind of remembered him, let's put it that way. So I look into the car next to me, and like I can see his face, and that was weird. And that means that I remembered him, and I just want to wish he's all right wherever he is. And yeah, at the same time also, it made me think about my connections with other people, like how I'm gonna treat people whom I just take it for granted, people whom I haven't contacted, and they were like good friends to me. So yeah, since he left, I've tried my best to get in touch with the people that was significant to my life, and also those people who weren't significant to my life. But yeah, everyone I know. So whenever I can, I just try to like connect with people, and also my family. So yeah, it's important, because the thing is, yeah, you don't know, your family might be in deep stress, and the thing is, yeah, it's something that you could do better. You could do something. I don't know. I'm gonna let me just change the last line, because I'm a bit annoyed with the car in front of me. Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
properly. That usually happens when I'm so busy and I don't finish the vlog and I don't know what happened next, but I'm just filming whatever happens. That's why it's called a vlog, because it's not prepared. That's what I think. Anyway, yeah, I just got a Focus Sam 2. Yeah, it's Focus Sam 2 mountain bike, and yeah, I had it on the last video when I went to church. But yeah, that's it. I got a Focus Sam 2.0 bike. I don't know anything about bikes anymore. It's been a while I did mountain biking, but yeah, that was the day I got it from Ian. And yeah, up to tomorrow. I'll cut the vlog here. I have nothing else to put.